Digital lending is a complex process that requires multiple data sources and products to work together and act as one secure and efficient operation. TurnKey Lender allows for simple integrations with third-party services that enhance your business's performance. This is made possible with the help of APIs and TurnKey Lender's public API functionality. Let's go over the steps you need to take to integrate TurnKey Lender with third-party solutions and services. To begin, navigate to System API Clients. To add a third-party integration, click Add API Client. In the window that opens, assign permissions to the API client. There are two permission levels here. Front Office. Check this and the API client will allow the third-party product or service access to the application process, the customer portal, the investor portal. Migration. This permission allows for accessing the data migration functionality. Select the permissions you want to assign to this API client and then click Generate New Key. Here you can either save changes or cancel the key generation for the time being and come back to it later. Next, in the pop-up that opens, set the name for your new API key and an expiration date for it if you need to. Click OK to save the settings. The pop-up will close and you will now see your new API key in the list. You can copy, edit, and erase the keys from the list. All the settings other than the secret API key name can be edited by a back-office user with system administrator permissions. The final step is to copy the secret API key into the clipboard and send it and your domain URL to the third-party service provider to let them integrate with your TurnKey Lender instance. That's all there is to it, an easy way to merge all the applications you need together for a robust digital lending environment. Do you have questions about launching and scaling your lending business? Get in touch with our team for a detailed demo tailored to your business to see how we can help you grow.